Did you know that effective facilitation can increase team productivity by up to 40%? Yet studies show that 65% of group meetings fail to achieve their objectives due to poor facilitation. Organizations waste countless hours and resources in unproductive group sessions. Poor facilitation leads to unfocused discussions, dominant voices drowning out others, and decisions that lack buy-in. This results in failed initiatives, decreased collaboration, and a culture of unproductive meetings. Individual facilitators often feel overwhelmed managing group dynamics. They struggle with difficult personalities, maintaining engagement, and achieving session objectives. Teams become frustrated with unproductive meetings, leading to decreased participation and missed opportunities for innovation. This dynamic course transforms the way you lead groups and facilitate sessions. It combines psychology principles with creative facilitation techniques to help you design and lead engaging, productive group experiences. Participants learn powerful methods for reading group dynamics, managing diverse personalities, and fostering inclusive participation. You'll master techniques for creative problem-solving, conflict resolution, and achieving meaningful outcomes through group collaboration. Organizations see immediate improvements in meeting effectiveness and decision-making quality. Innovation increases as more voices are heard, and change initiatives succeed through better stakeholder engagement. At the personal level, facilitators gain confidence in managing any group situation. Teams experience more engaging, productive sessions that respect their time and maximize their collective intelligence. Ready to transform group experiences from mundane to magical? Enroll today and master the art of creative facilitation.